Hello, English learners. Are you ready to dive into another important word? Today, we're going to explore the word sometimes. Whether it's placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence, the word sometimes adds a special meaning to our everyday conversations. Let's explore how it works together. 50%, sometimes. The word sometimes is typically placed before the main action verb, at the beginning of a sentence or at the end of a sentence, but not after the main verb. Here are examples for each position. Before the main verb, they sometimes go to the beach on weekends. At the beginning of the sentence, sometimes she forgets her keys. Sometimes on weekends, they go to the beach. At the end of a sentence, she forgets her keys sometimes. They go to the beach on weekends sometimes. And that's sometimes for you. Remember, it's a flexible word that can be placed before, after, or even in the middle of a sentence. Keep practicing with sometimes to express those moments that happen occasionally or sometimes for you. Thanks for joining us today and keep up the great work in your English learning journey.